aircraft have been with us for over 49 years. Okay? And these two have been more or less part of my life in this company, because when I came here, I found these aircraft here. At the time I came here, these were the two best selling aircraft in our whole fleet. One, because they were twin engines. Two, because they were retractable undercarriages. Three, because they were the fastest aircraft that time. Four, they could take off and land at any one of the airstrips that we had in Amara. Five, these were the most suitable aircraft for tourism, because most Americans, they needed an insurance with a twin engine. The insurance would not cover them for a single engine. So it had speed, comfort, insurance, reliability, speed. To see them go, it's going to be a very heartbroken thing for me. I think I'm going to cry. So sad to see this aircraft go. This was part of my life. Bye bye, aircraft.
Okay, for me, I would say it was a great experience selling this aircraft to our clients. It was tough when we were telling them, sorry, we no longer are selling these aircraft, and they are still asking when we'll have a small twin engine. And yeah, people loved it. It was fast, it was reliable, landed almost everywhere, and a good money maker. So, Jimmy, we are asking. Replacement, I think, we pray and we hope we'll get something better in the future. Okay, bye.
The learning experience. When I joined Boskies, I think we had 3. No, when I joined there was 3 or 4. That is what I started working on. By the time in its later years, when I was hangar supervisor, now it became difficult and more difficult to get parts. So the longer it stayed in the hangar, it became a headache. And eventually now we have to face them all. I think we have to move forward. And like Jimmy says, we have to be intentional where we're moving to. So I think it is the best time to say goodbye to this place, and it was a great experience.
Hi everyone. It's son or great experience when I came here. I started working on this aircraft, and it was really good and nice experience to work on this.
You want to cry?
We used to work with him very early in the morning on this aircraft, and now we have to agree and let them go. Thank you.
Hii ndege in fact ndio nilikuta ikiwa next kutoka 404 na nilikuwa used naye kupeana spares. In fact ukiniuliza kila kitu kwa hiyo ndege nitakuelezea. Kwa hivyo ikienda bye.
Jina lako Joseph Kariuki.
Jina ni Joseph Kariuki Rurigi. Kwa kusema ukweli, hizi ndege tumezifanyia kazi na ndio ilikuwa ndege nzuri sana, na experience yake tukifanyia kazi ilikuwa nzuri sana. Ni ndege tulikuwa tunaielewa kabisa ndani na nje. Kwa hiyo tutai miss.
Kennedy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's my pleasure. It was my first aircraft when I came into this company that I worked on, and that's where I learned how to use a paint remover, and it was not an easy experience. Number 2, I got a chance maybe to go through the logbooks for this particular aircraft, and I can say that it was the money-making aircraft. In a day, this aircraft would fly for more than 6 hours, and that was translated to money. So they were really good aircrafts,
People have said we will miss them due to the speeds. I once flown with them in a test flight, and the experience was really good. So, bye to the aircraft.
I'm audible. It's okay, I'll hold on to you in case you want to cry.
Yeah, I don't see them go. Things change. We have to make a move and we need the space again. Should be sad to see them go. They're still faster than the EA, so wish them all the best. I hope you get a buyer soon. I'd like to see them fly again. Benson is very happy to see them go. For me, I think the future is the reason to why I'm here at Boskies. Back in 08, 07, when I was with Skytrain, the cheap aviation, we subcontracted to do a modification on these aircraft. That's the reason to why it brought me to Boskies, and then ended up getting employed at Boskies. So it's sad to see them go because I really worked hard on these aircraft. I tried my best to get a rating on it on the license, and it was a good addition to my licensing. So bye to them.
I think, guys, as you are aware, we've got a strategic plan. Modernize our fleet, grow our fleet, and the fleet types that we are focusing on are our flagship operations, caravans, but only mainly because it's an offer, product offer that we give our customers. Where we stopped flying the 310? The time I joined, it was parked here, right? Where we stopped flying it? It's largely to do with the clientele. What is it that they prefer? What are the costs, etc. So technically, I know you guys say it's a powerful aircraft, flies very fast, tractable, all those nice things. But today, is it compatible with the rest of our fleet? Those are some of the things that we are considering. Now, number two, I think you're aware, we purchased shares at Orly Airport. You're aware? So we're actually flying those aircraft, we're moving them out of this hangar. We'd create some space. So you're just parking them in Orly Airport. There's a hangar there that we're going to use. The aircraft will be there. Any of you who are missing the aircraft can go and have a look at them. And as Shaib said, where's Shaib? Yeah, we are looking actually for buyers for that aircraft, these two aircraft. So today is the last day they're going to be in this hangar. Shipping them to Orly Airport. So with that, we're just saying query to the aircraft. Some of you are not sad, some of you are neutral. Me, I'm very neutral. Because I know one door is closed, another is. Who said that? Bob Marley. So I think we can crack a bottle here. Hey!
I will make sure that they are kept well, they are kept safe, and they still form part of us as much as they will be in Orly. So, to me, I will be part of the group.
Yankee, oh, it's Alpha, Yankee, Zulu, and Alpha, Zulu, Sierra. Hip hip. Hooray!